How did you meet Priyanka? When is the first time?
Kathak, when I was training for Kathak here.
And you saw her and thought she was stunning.
I think I thought of her, I thought that she was stunning even before that. Right, I usually find women stunning. I think you're stunning.
Well, thank you for the compliment. Flattery will get you everywhere.
Will it?
Yes, absolutely. How did you first connect with Priyanka?
Cell phones, yeah. It's a very bad joke. I'll ignore that.
No, but then what kind of first SMS? Do you remember the first text
Hello.
message? That's it.
Yeah, some simplicity can work sometimes.
Really?
What's that?
Is that what you like in her?
Yeah, probably. I think, that's something I look for in most people. I can't handle pretentiousness.
And coming back to like Labor of Love, she stepped in, into this film, which was Kareena walked out.
Correct.
We all know about all
Correct.
that. And she stepped in. What did that make you feel like? Did it make you feel really indebted to her?
Yeah, no. I mean, I would feel, I would thank her for it. You see, indebted is when you do me a favor. Not when you do something telling me that you would like to do it anyways.
She wanted to do it anyways. So why
You
wasn't
must
she first
understand,
choice?
that time Priyanka had just come into the industry. So it was too early for her to do a role like this, which Dad felt that, no, Baba, I think I need someone who's got two distinct characters. Someone who's got a little more experience behind her, because it's a complicated role and I want someone who can perform very well. So I think it's a, I think for me it's always been like, so many people come and go out of so many films here. But just because there's a link up here, it's just, again, yeah.
You're blushing, I haven't asked anything and you're blushing.
No, it's a color red, yeah.
It certainly
red.
isn't reflecting on your cheeks.
No, it's not.
Name Piggy Chops and you're blushing, huh?
No, Piggy Chops. Why do they give the name like Piggy Chops to her?
I didn't give it to her, okay?
Yeah.
What does she mean to you?
Yeah, you give this answer with a lot of thought.
You have all
I'm
the
just
time in
joking.
the world.
No, what thought am I going to give? I think Priyanka is someone who's...
Franks?
Yeah.
Is that her name?
Yeah.
Franks?
So-
Better than Piggy Chops.
Yeah, for sure, yeah. Piggy Chops, what? But anyway, to me, I think she's... how would I put it here? She's... If I have to count 10 people in my life who are important to me and who will always matter to me, yeah, then she would probably be one of them.
I read something very sweet, that you said that I don't want to talk about her because I'm scared that something bad will come out and it will disturb everything and devastate me.
No, what happens, I'll tell you. Like, I would not disclose. It's like, dude, I walk here and I suddenly come to you, if I don't know you, and I say, hi, I'm XYZ. You have a boyfriend? I'm like, yeah, why? What's his name? When did you meet him? What did he give you on Valentine's Day? Achha, what do you plan to do this with? Is he doing anything special for your birthday? Achha, has the parents accepted you?
What did she give you on Valentine's Day?
Nothing.
What did you give her on Valentine's Day?
I'm not giving you questions. It's supposed to be the other way around.
Well, you are.
No.
What did
I'm
you
just
give?
telling
Your
you,
parents
you know that,
accept her?
let me finish my topic.
No, I'm taking the questions. Okay, sorry. Carry
So,
on.
it's like you're going to be looking and say, yaar, what happened? Chill. Why do you want to know so much? But when it comes to Priyanka, family, and let's say my other close friends, I'll immediately guard. A guard will come up. Naturally, will come up with you, will come up with anybody else.
Out of all the co-stars that you're working with Amrita Rao, you're working with Vidya Balan.
Yeah.
Have you started work with
No,
Vidya
I'm not
Balan?
started shooting it. It was just done a look test and stuff. Yeah.
Okay, so you've had an interaction with her, and with Janelia,
Right.
and with Pranks.
Yeah.
Who's your favorite co-star so far?
It's a tough call for the other women. Yeah? I think obviously Priyanka would be my favorite co-star.
Why?
Yeah. I've done a whole film with her. Let's put it that way. And this does not take away from the relationship me and Amrita shared during Victory. We only have one day left now.
So you've done a whole film with her too?
Yeah, Amrita's fantastic to work with. But I have a rapport with Priyanka. I've known her for 5 years. Yeah? I mean, probably when I do a film with Amrita
What
again.
is the kind of rapport? Like, what does it mean to have a rapport with someone? You and I have a rapport right now.
Yeah, but it's only about 15 minutes old as opposed to 5 years old. Imagine you and me after 5 years sitting and talking like this if we are continuously in touch. The comfort level that you have.
Or the annoyance sometimes.
Why?
Because if you know someone like people I know for 5 years, I'm not so calm with them. Like I'll put on a face with you.
Yeah.
If you're bugging me, I don't have the right to say it to you.
Right.
But 5 years later, I know you're bugging me and give you one slap.
That's what I love.
So
That's what I love. That's what I told you the first thing here. For me, it's about being real, yeah? For me, it's about being real. If you can be real and tell me, dude, you're boring me here. Even if you tell me right now, I mean, you're boring me, let's talk about something else.
I mean, you're boring me, let's talk about something else.
See, that was my ploy. Okay, let's talk about something. We're done with Priyanka. I'm boring you now. Let's talk about something else.
Okay, I read somewhere that you didn't allow your dad on set for the first 2 days.
2 days. First 2 days on set, Haman is nervous. I don't know what the hell am I doing. And if dad's on set, I'm going to get very nervous. You see, he's my dad at the end of the day. I'm a hardcore Panju boy here. So dad comes, you get a little stiff and all that jazz.
But at the end of the day, he's a director, right?
But you can sit on the monitor, na? Don't need my peripheral vision. So just sit in a room away from me, be on the mic for the first 2 days. Third morning, he came to me and he asked me very candidly. He says, Harman, do you think I can come back on my set today? I was like, yeah, come.
So you could get away with this with any other director.
Yeah, but then I won't be so stressed out also, because they're not my father. You know what I'm saying?